Ever dreamt of splashing out on that supercar you've always wanted, or maybe booking a round-the-world trip on a whim? Well, before you start planning your victory lap, there's a tiny little detail that might put a damper on your plans: your Monzo card limit. Yeah, that shiny piece of plastic in your wallet isn't exactly a bottomless pit of cash. Let's dive deep into just how much you can actually spend on it. Building context. Monzo, with its sleek app and promise of financial freedom, has captured the hearts of many. But, as with any financial product, there are rules. One of the most crucial is the spending limit. But is there a single, universal cap on your Monzo card? Can you really max it out? Let's break it down. The reality of limits. Now, the short answer is, it's complicated. There isn't a straightforward, one-size-fits-all maximum limit on your Monzo card. Instead, it's a complex web of different caps for various transactions. Daily spending limit. This is probably the most common limit you'll encounter. It's the maximum amount you can spend on your card in a single day. While the exact figure can vary based on your account type and spending history, it's typically in the thousands. ATM withdrawals. You can't just empty the entire ATM. There's a daily limit for cash withdrawals, and it's usually lower than your spending limit. Online transactions. Some online retailers or service providers might have their own limits. So, while your Monzo card might have a high daily limit, a particular website could restrict how much you can spend in one go. Overdraft. If you've got an overdraft, that's a separate limit. It's the amount of money you can borrow from Monzo. Factors affecting your limit. So, what determines your spending limit? Well, it's a combination of factors. Account type. Monzo offers different account tiers, and each comes with its own set of limits. Spending history. If you've been a reliable customer with a consistent spending pattern, Monzo might increase your limits. Income. The more you earn, the higher your potential limit. Credit score. A good credit score can influence your limit. How to check your limits. Don't panic if you're unsure of your limits. Monzo makes it easy to check. Just fire up the app, and you should be able to find your limits with a few taps. Can you increase your limit? Hitting your limit can be frustrating. But don't worry, there's often a way to increase it. Most banks, including Monzo, allow you to request a higher limit. It usually involves providing some additional information about your financial situation. Important considerations. While it's tempting to push your limits, it's crucial to spend responsibly. Overspending can lead to debt and financial stress. Always budget and track your spending. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The Monzo card limit isn't a fixed number, but a flexible figure influenced by various factors. Understanding these limits is essential for managing your finances effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.